What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Now let's jump right into the video.
Let me tell you something about me.
Go ahead.
My name is Corey, y'all.
Right here, I'm just wetting my hair just to make it easier to work with. Here, I'm taking my Trader Joe's conditioner and just putting that in my hair to soften my hair up so I can detangle it easier. Now I'm going in with my fave brush, the Texture Pro detangling brush. It just goes in my hair it just glides through my hair basically, very smoothly, and gets those tangles out. Now throughout the video, I'm going to be taking my bristle brush just to smooth my hair out. Comment down below if certain jars of EcoStyle be like the consistency is watery, like super watery than usual. Like, I know I'm not tripping. Y'all comment and let me know. I'm taking my beeswax because this just helps my hair get really smooth, especially when I tie it up and take it down. Obviously, it's better than the EcoStyle because since it's so watery, but it just does the job for me, for my hair staying in place. Now, I'm taking some cut up pantyhose.
I know you that.
Anyway, this will work for me. So you just gotta watch and see how I do it because it's kind of hard to explain. If you're wondering what type of edge control I'm using my cousin's edge control, which is called the Smooth Butter Edge Tamer. She has her own natural hairline. If you would like to purchase the edge control, click the email in my description box and send them an email and let them know that you would like to purchase until further notice.